We have Avalanche, symbol AVAX, versus the dollar. And what do we have? Well, we have a little bit of a pullbacky area now, don't we? Multiple drives of bearish divergence, and we did call that out, I believe, on Friday, looking for a bit of a pullback from this region. And we got that over the weekend. Yes, correct down to the 21, which is fine, which is all good. And that is coming on declining volatility right here. But I am inclined to say that this one is starting to lose steam. Not necessarily for the long term. I mean, I do love a chart that looks like this, obviously, and I would be looking for new all-time highs coming into October if it does close anywhere above even, you know, $50 on I think it is Thursday here. But in the interim, are we more likely to pull back or not? Well, let's actually go down to the short-term timeframes over here on the 4-hour. 4-hour is actually showing multiple drives of hidden bullish divergence right here, and I would be looking for short-term backup somewhere around about $73.50 or so. Bit of a range going on right now, but overall, I would feel quite comfortable in saying that, hey, if this thing does fail to, I mean, it's not going to be too helpful in this one, but if this one does fail to get back above about $76, probably within the next couple days here, I would be looking for a deeper correction somewhere down around the low 50s if that does hold. For what it's worth right now, the buy daily still marching its way up. I mean, this is good overall. Again, I don't want to sound like I'm bearish on the long term here. I'm certainly not, but it is starting to show a lot of cracks on this one for the short and medium term. Anyways, daily SOX will actually be popping back up if we do close above $75 today, which this one is clean $6 below, but that doesn't necessarily need to happen today for that one to look good. 12 hours is going to be 71.5, and 4-hour, what are we looking like right here? 65 or so. So again, short term, yeah, very likely does pop back up, but again, assuming that essentially fails to get back above, especially $75 by end of day, I'd be looking for this one to range a little bit more and then very likely correct back down into the a little bit below $60 or so, and set it up probably for a good October. Long-term targets, though, are still very much valid, I do believe here. I don't really have any reason to change that. But a correction between the 618 extension and the 414 right here is, you know, long-term healthy, obviously. And long-term, I mean, you know, probably October, maybe November, December, something like that. I would be looking for this one to get above $100. This is obviously, you know, one of the best charts in cryptocurrency land as of this moment in time. So got to give it respect. Short-term, again, back up. If your daily does fail to get back above about $75, I would look for the next week or so to correct a little bit down, somewhere around mid to low $50. Hopefully that's helpful, and there you go for AVAX.